I'm here to share a hair wrapping video with you guys, and I specifically wanted to shoot this video because now, as you guys can see, my hair is short. So I wanted to film a hair wrapping video for shorter hair. I don't use Bobbi pins, and I thought it would be interesting to show you guys how I wrap my hair when it's short. It's almost the same way that my last video that I uploaded is, but that's years old. So I'm going to go ahead and refilm this video for you guys to show you exactly how I wrap my hair for short hair. Alright guys, you already know the drill. Before we even get started, give me a like, comment down below, and subscribe to my channel. Hit that notification bell so you're notified when I upload new videos. And if you are a returning subscriber, I just want to say how much I greatly appreciate you. You guys are awesome. So let's go ahead and get into the video. Alright guys, I already have like all my hair care stuff packed in the Ziploc bag because I just got back from a trip. So what you'll need, or what I use, is a paddle brush, and this one is from Kimble Beauty. I got this years ago in a Pure package and I love this brush. It's just a nice large paddle brush with the plastic bristles. I like this because my hair doesn't get caught in it. I also use a rat tail comb, but only for the rat tail, or the parting, you know, the end of the comb here. Your hair tie, whatever you use, your hair scarf, whatever you want to call it. I have my trusty silk scarf that I have had for, I want to say, almost 20 years now. You need a sort of boar bristle brush because this is what you use to smooth your hair. This one is just from the beauty supply store, probably $1. And then you will also need your duckbill clips. So these little duckbill, alligator clips, whatever you want to call them. Technically, I think they are called duckbill clips, and I use 4 of them. When I'm wrapping my hair, when I used to wrap my hair when it was really long, I only used 3, but I use 4 for a specific reason now that I will share with you. But yeah, we're gonna go ahead and get into wrapping this hair. What you're gonna do first is very, very gently kind of comb through it, and you can use a wide tooth comb. I'm just going to use my paddle brush because my hair is not very tangled, and now that it's shorter it doesn't get very tangled easily. I'm just going to go through and make sure my hair is smooth with my paddle brush. Now I'm going to go ahead and take my comb. I'm just going to take the end of the comb. I like to create a little bit of a part my hair towards the top of my ear. I wrap my hair going to the right. Everybody's sort of different, and I've always wrapped my hair going to the right. I can't do it to the left side, and people say you should definitely switch how you wrap your hair. It's better for your hair for breakage and things like that, but I just have a habit of doing it to the right, or going, if you like, I go clockwise, not counterclockwise. So my hair is kind of over to the side. I'm going to go ahead and take my boar brush and start to smooth it. And I'm probably going to need this mirror here, so I'm just going to smooth my hair over, almost like a comb over. And I'm going to go ahead and place my first duckbill clip right on, like at the top of the ear. And then I'm going to go ahead and use my brush and start to smooth my hair. Okay, so I changed the camera a bit so hopefully you can see better. So I'm going to go ahead and start to smooth my hair with my brush. You also, when you're wrapping your hair this way, you're going to use your hands a lot to sort of secure your hair. I'm going to put that duckbill clip right here where the ear is. Now I'm going to go ahead and start to smooth my hair all around. Now because my hair is short, I'm going to get a lot of pieces that fall down. Let me see if I can turn it. So I'm going to get a lot of pieces that come down, but what I'm doing is kind of brushing them up and over. And this is where I'm going to put a duckbill clip, which I don't normally do, but because my hair is short now, I put a duckbill clip and I secure my hair from the top that way. Then I'm going to go ahead and smooth my hair. I'm going to remove very gently that first clip. Remember, I'm using my hands a lot here. I'm going to place my hand and hold my hair in place. And this is what's kind of keeping my hair wrapped up. I'm using my hand to hold it in place. And I'm going to go ahead and re-secure with the duckbill clip. I'm going to take my 4th clip that in the middle here on the ends. Okay, again, I'm using my hand to kind of try to keep it all in place, smoothing it, removing this one. You are going to get your hair kind of when you have short hair, you are going to get your hair like falling. It's okay, you're just going to kind of keep smoothing it back in place. So again, gonna smooth that back, put that clip back there. Smooth this. Now there's a piece of my hair that keeps falling, so I'm just gonna kind of try to get that secured. Again, you see how I kind of keep securing everything? Now it's not going to be perfect, right? But it's going to be in the basic kind of like form of the wrap. And I'm doing it this way because I don't want to use bobby pins because I don't want dents in my hair. When you use bobby pins, a lot of time you'll have all these creases and dents in your hair when you take it down in the morning. So I'm going to go ahead and remove my hand very gently, and I'm going to hold my head down to kind of keep this all in place. If I put my head up, it's going to fall. This is a very delicate situation. I'm going to go ahead and take my scarf. It's folded in a triangle. I'm going to go ahead and lay it on my hair, cross the sections, and tighten it. I'm going to hold it down with my chin. I'm not tying it right now because I'm going to remove the 3 duckbill clips in the front. So I'm going to go under and gently pull the clip out. One. This is why you don't tie it yet, because you want to have it held in place, but you want to have to remove the ease because, again, one, it's not going to be comfortable to sleep with, and you don't want creases. So I'm smoothing it over. Now, notice that I kept the duckbill clip in the back. It's still in there. It's not going to create any creases on my hair. It's just holding sort of that wrap in place. If I wanted to, I can try to get it out. It's not worth it. I take it down in the morning. I take the duckbill clip out. So I'm going to go ahead and tie my scarf. Tie the 2 pieces. I just do a little knot in the front. Then you're left with, obviously, the tail here. I pull it tight and I twist it. And I secure it into my wrap. I just go under where these are tied and I pull it through a couple of times. And it is wrapped. And what I like to do when, oops, let me just make sure all my hair is in. Okay, so what I like to do is I can then, like when I wash my face and things, I'll take the, push this bow back a little bit, and I can move this part up, and then all of my face is, ready to be washed. And then when I go to sleep, I can pull this little, extra fabric down so it feels more secure, however you want. But yeah, it is nice, secure, and tight. When I sleep, it's not going to come off. I love this silk scarf. It keeps my hair nice and shiny and healthy, and I don't go to sleep without a silk scarf on anyway. So that's how I wrap my short hair. If you guys have any questions, please let me know. The main thing are these duckbill clips. They are amazing. You want to get the ones that have a slight curve to them. These are the best because they're going to help when, you're doing your wrap. The curve really helps. There are ones that are sort of straight, and there are ones that have a nice curve to them. You want the one with the curve. You want the one that doesn't have any teeth on it or anything, just smooth. Because you don't want it to pull your hair or get caught in your hair. You can find a pack of them, like 20 of them or more, at the beauty supply store for very cheap. I really love these clips. I use them, to hold my hair when I'm curling my hair, to section off my hair. I use it to wrap my hair. These just come really in handy. You'll need your, powder brush. that's going to comb through your hair. You're going to need your boar brush to smooth, and you know, something that you can part your hair with how you need to. But yeah, it was super easy. If my hair was very dry, I will put a little bit of a serum in the ends of my hair before I wrapped it. Or if you like to moisturize your hair before you wrap your hair, you could do that before you begin. But I don't need to put any products in my hair because I have products in my hair and I don't want to weigh down my hair right now, especially with it being short. I didn't want to put any oils or anything like that. In the morning when I comb down my hair, I might put a little bit of edge control at my edges. That's it. Because this is what I do and that's how I wrap my short hair. I hope it helped. You know, it's not the most scientific, perfect way, but it's what works for me. And if you're wondering, when I sleep, this does not bother me at all. It doesn't poke my hair, it doesn't pull my hair or anything like that. I don't even feel it, if you were wondering. So yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed, and don't forget to give me a like, comment down below, and subscribe for more videos, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye guys.